How to block specific contacts on WhatsApp.
Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial on managing your privacy on WhatsApp. Today, we'll learn how to block specific people from calling or messaging you. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools you need to ensure your WhatsApp experience is free from unwanted interruptions.
Why would you want to block someone on WhatsApp?
There are many reasons why you might want to block someone on WhatsApp. This could be due to unwanted messages or calls, harassment, or simply not wanting to engage with specific contacts. When you block a contact on WhatsApp, they won't be able to call you, send you messages, or see your status updates.
How to block someone on WhatsApp.
Here are the simple steps to block someone on WhatsApp. 1. Open WhatsApp and navigate to the chat with the person you wish to block. 2. Tap on the contact's name at the top to open the contact info page. 3. Scroll down to the bottom and you'll see the Block option. 4. Confirm your choice and the person will be blocked. Remember, this will block both messages and calls from the selected contact.
What happens after blocking?
After you block a contact, they will no longer be able to send you messages or call you. However, they won't be notified that they have been blocked. If they send a message, it will only show one tick, indicating that the message was sent but not delivered.
How to unblock someone on WhatsApp.
You may also want to know how to unblock someone, just in case. 1. Open WhatsApp and tap on the settings icon at the bottom. 2. Tap on Account, then Privacy. 3. Then, tap on Blocked. You'll see a list of all blocked contacts. 4. Choose the person you want to unblock and swipe left, then tap the Unblock option. Remember, after you unblock someone, they will be able to message and call you again, and see your status updates. That's it. Now you know how to manage your contact list on WhatsApp, keeping unwanted calls and messages at bay. I hope this video has been useful to you, and that it helps you create a safer, more controlled messaging environment on WhatsApp. Remember, your privacy is important, and you have the power to decide who can reach out to you. Happy messaging!